Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover and lift the cover off the tower. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive and disconnect the cables. Remove the 4 screws securing the drive and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the hard drive, place it back in the system. Tighten the 4 screws and reconnect the cables. Secure the side cover of the tower with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.